following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Lampasas County Sheriff's Office is searching for Kristen Robertson, black female, 3 years old, 3 feet 0 inches, 40 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. Christopher Robertson E., black male, 6 years old, 3 feet 1 inch, 50 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. Christine Robertson, black female, 4 years old, 3 feet 5 inches, 40 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. Police are looking for Christine Amber Whitehead, 35-year-old, black female, 5 feet 7 inches, 165 pounds, black hair, brown eyes in connection with their abduction. The suspect is driving a white 2007 Toyota Tundra with Texas license plate number of GJZ8544. The suspect was last heard from in Kempner, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe these children to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Lampasas County Sheriff's Office at 512-556-8255. News media point of contact is 512-556-8255 at Lampasas County Sheriff's Office.